Hi, welcome back to my channel. I Can Sew. I'm Kendra, and you guys, I have been exhausted. I've had my last week was really busy. This weekend was busy, and next weekend I have a lot going on. But I am going to share with you what I have going on. I know you're like, she's being dramatic with the hair bonnet. No, I'm not. I'm showing you my hair bonnet because I want you to remember that I did a video about hair bonnets. This is a reversible hair bonnet, remember? So on the inside here, we can take it off and we can switch it over to the pink side if necessary. And there's a whole tutorial that is actually doing very well on my channel. It has like over 12,000 views. So that just tells me that you guys like that and that my tutorial really worked. So if you're thinking about what is something really quick that you can make someone for the holidays, check this out. This is a great gift, and it's very easy. You can cut the circle, the two circles in bulk, so you can make a lot of them at the same time. So think about that. The other thing that I'm working on that I can't wait to show you guys, because I brought it up before, was I'm making a puff quilt. So if you've seen my video when I talked about the puff quilt, then you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? So what I did, let me show you this, is so far I have cut 300 squares, different colors, different fabrics, right? So let me see, is this white? This is white, but it has this cute dragonfly on it. So I can't wait. These are polka dots here. Polka dots, stripes. Get the color in there for you. Red stripes, more polka dots. Gray polka dots. You get the gist. You get the gist. There's some really cute ones in here. Now, what I want to tell you about is I went to Three Little Birds. You guys know I love that fabric shop in Hyattsville, Maryland. And I picked up some fabulous fat quarters. This is so pretty, you guys. It's so pretty, in fact, that I was kind of upset they only bought like the fat quarter. So I went back. This one too. That was very cute. So I went online, and I am going to buy this in about 4 to 5 yards, and I'm going to make a dress with this same kind of cotton material. It's so soft. It's so pretty. They have a few with different backgrounds, but I really like this one. I just think it's so pretty. And this color here, and even the feathers on it, it's you can wear it all year round. So as long as you know, depending on the type of dress or the style of dress you make, right? So I'm going to do that. So also next week, so I'll show you where I am on that. So that will be one video for you. I'm happy. And I also have about 4 more pattern reviews to do for you, because I told you guys I sew all the time, and it's got pieces on me now. I sew all the time, and I just didn't do the reviews. So I'm going to do the reviews and do this for you. I'm going to do a couple story times and talk about who inspired me to sew, who is my support team while I'm sewing, and I have a couple pieces that I think I'm going to show you that you're going to really like. They're near and dear to my heart, and I think that you'll like what I'm talking about. And they give us an opportunity to learn more about each other, because of course I want you to share to me who inspires you in life, and what you did with that inspiration. So we're gonna talk about that as well. The last thing, so I brought up then I'm going to finish showing you the finished garment of Jamison's pajamas, and go over the pattern that I'm going to sew that's going to complement his pajamas. So this is going to be an action-packed week. I didn't have time to do a very long video for you today because I actually spent a lot of quality time with one of my best friends yesterday, and we had a super fun time. So I went to her house, and you saw the decorations yesterday, and we spent time together putting together a gingerbread house. You guys, if you want a good time, go to Target and pick up, or Walmart maybe, but I got it from Target. Pick up gingerbread houses. Let me tell you something. For that thing to tell you it needs to be created by children or was built by children is a whole lie. If you do go and pick up a gingerbread house, though, be sure to go by the Dollar Tree or at least the candy aisle and pick up more candy, because what they show you on the box is not what is in the bag. So there are a lot of candy pieces in there, of course, but it's not enough to like decorate the um, whole gingerbread house to satisfaction. Trust me on this. Go get it, put it together. It's a great family activity, and it's just super fun to do. I recommend you had two people because we had to hold the walls together to make them, you know, to glue them together and stuff. But it was so much fun. I'm gonna post a picture on my community wall, so please check out my community wall, and you'll see that some of our like during and after photos of it. So you'll absolutely love it. I recommend that you do that. It was a fun time. So I did that yesterday, right? And then today, as you can see, because I completely forgot to take off my uniform, I work for the Washington football team. So and today they played Dallas. And yeah. The Washington football team was very hospitable to the Dallas Cowboy team and their fans. They let them come and play on their field, and they did not interrupt them one time while they were trying to get a touchdown. That's all I'm going to say. So, and I hope that the Cowboys pay the same respect and show the same level of hospitality when the Washington football team goes to Dallas in 2 weeks. I think they play them after December. So, yeah, I absolutely love this job, you guys. It's really fun. You know, I know you're probably thinking, how many jobs does she have? Yeah, I have a lot of jobs. I have a lot. So I keep myself busy. So it is what it is. Which is why before this Vlogmas, I was, so sparingly making videos. I was just like tired. I was doing a lot of things. But I'm actually having a lot of fun with this. I will not be doing a video every day after this Vlogmas is off. But I will put myself on a consistent schedule and and make sure I can have a video out at least once a month, at least once a week is what I'm going to go with. But I'm hoping to do something twice a week because I really enjoy putting out these videos, and I love hearing from you guys and really kind of building that camaraderie and community and support system that we are sharing with each other. So thank you so much again, everybody, for watching this video today, watching all the videos. This is Vlogmas Day 12. Yeah, because today's December 12th, right? Vlogmas Day 12. And I'm so happy that we have made it through 12 days. Tomorrow, again, starts, today's Sunday, but tomorrow's going to start the work week, and it's going to start more videos. So again, thank you again for visiting my channel. I am Kendra with I Can Sew. And remember, check out the bonnet video. Check out the video that I had about decorating yesterday. Check out my quilting video, and have a great evening. Thank you. Bye.